Hi everyone, I'm Anton from the Amani Melasti team, and right now we are on the site for Amani Melasti in Bukit, Bali, only 250 meters from the Indian Ocean. Our construction team is already working on the land, and excavation and soil movement are already done. This is the foundation for what will soon become your future escape hotel. Amani Melasti is a high-return investment operated by Wyndham and built by TEUS Group. We are proud to show you how things are progressing, week by week, block by block. Stay with us, the best is still ahead.